Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video we go to Edo State and we look at the travails of our governor Godwin Obaseki. So he's been having some struggles in that state with the powers that be in that state. So we will delve into that in this video. So guys, I bring you this. I've endured so much, cannot continue to be governor and not function as one. So that's the headline. I've endured so much, cannot continue to be governor and not function as one. So now let's find out exactly why he is saying this. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki has revealed the painful experiences that he has supposedly been suffering from the hands of his godfather Adams Oshiomhole. This was as Obaseki on Friday said that as a governor he has been denied the opportunity to even nominate a single person for a federal appointment and vowed he will never again accept a situation in which as a governor he cannot function as one. He did not directly mention the name of the All Progressive Congress national chairman. However, indications showed he was referring to no other than Oshiomhole. Obaseki bared his mind on worrying issues in Edo State when he spoke with members of the Benin community residents in the Federal Capital Territory FCT at Edo State House Lodge, Abuja on Friday. The aggrieved governor went further to say that as long as he remains Edo governor, he will not allow the state to be used as a mere pawn in a political game by any highly placed politician. The rift between Obaseki and Oshiomhole has continued to worsen by the day. An apparent tussle of who controls the State House of Assembly between the two is believed to have been the cause of the crisis rocking the State Assembly. Speaking with the group that was led by Dixon Omorege, Obaseki explained that he had promised during his campaign to help develop the state. I did this silently behind the scenes for 8 years before I became governor. The money we are getting from Abuja isn't enough. So, given my background, I sought to bring investors so that they can engage our people. I have gone to great lengths to try to explain. It is about reform to change Edo from what it is to what we hope and pray for it to be. I don't have any future political ambitions, but only to finish by the grace of God and go back to my business, which is suffering. I didn't come to make money at government house. I didn't come to make a name. By the grace of God, He has given me one. Edo is for Edo people, not for individuals, no matter who they think they are. We all play our own roles and live. What remains is our state. I have endured so much as a governor. As governor, I have not been able to even nominate somebody for a federal appointment. Meanwhile, federal appointments are made every day. I will sit down, they will call me from the Senate. Are you aware of this? I keep quiet. I cannot be governor and not be governor, he said, adding that all his actions had been in the best interest of the people. He described the political crisis in the state as an embarrassment. According to him, it was embarrassing for people to be ridiculing him when at the center we have one of our own person who is supposed to superintend this. He added, so if your children are fighting and you cannot come and settle them, then what authority do you have even as a father? Decrying how he conducted elections in the state and someone came and cancelled them and selected those he wanted, Obaseki said that but for his patience, Edo State would have gone the way of Zamfara, where the party lost every elective position during the last election. How can I, as a governor, conduct elections and someone will come and cancel them and be manipulating and throwing all sorts of people in there and now want to use the people to fight me and remove me from office? And you want me to keep quiet? So I have said it that at the end of the day, I only have one mandate to serve Edo people, and as long as God has given me this opportunity, I will not allow Edo State to be a pawn in anybody's political chess game, he said. Edo State is the only state in the South that is being controlled by the ruling party APC. So there you have it now. This is the goings on now in Edo State with Oshiomhole trying to remote control this chap, this Godwin, what's his name again? Godwin Obaseki. So he's trying to remote control him, and this guy say, well, if I am a governor, then I have to be a governor, and if I am not a governor, then please let me go back to my business, because the business that I left behind was thriving before I left it behind, and is suffering now because I have answered the call of my people to come and serve them. So if you feel that you can be the chairman of the APC and the governor of Edo State at the same time, then please come take this seat. But if you are not willing to come take this seat, Mr. Oshiomhole, our short little man, if you are not willing to come take this seat, then please be quiet and busy yourself with party activities, because there's enough going on within the APC to engage and occupy your mind without you having to handpick every cleaner and every driver in Edo State because because you want to override my authority within the state. So Oshiomhole, up to his mischiefs again. He has not satisfied himself with the looting of the state that he looted, because that guy did loot his state when he was governor. Have absolutely no doubt about that. And if you ever query if Oshiomhole looted that state, then just look at his wife. Somebody like Oshiomhole married to somebody like that girl, that is a good $20 million spend, at least, to convince a girl like that to marry a guy like Oshiomhole, because that girl has all the options in the world. So for her to have gone for somebody like Oshiomhole, that's a good spend of money that would have been required. So he has looted that state completely and is now wanting to live the life of playboy, but still wants to be controlling the state and controlling APC as well. So enough is what this governor is saying. Now what says you? Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting around this. But before you come join me in the comment section to have this conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there. But here I say peace.